Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Ikrimah, mahasiswa pendidikan profesi guru di Universitas Negeri Padang dengan NIM 253022998. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan melaksanakan praktik pembelajaran di MAN Kota Palangkaraya pada kelas 12 dengan materi fantasi. Selamat menyaksikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you everyone?
I'm fine. I'm good. I'm just so excited.
Okay, I'm so glad that you are fine. Okay, who is absent today?
No one.
Oh, no one. Oh, so it means that everyone is here today.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So today we are going to learn about English, of course. And you can see on your smart TV, there is let's enter the fantasy world. So it means we are going to learn about fantasy. Okay, first thing first. Learning objectives. Learning objective is something that you are going to have in the end of our meeting today. Okay, the first one is I want you can tell the difference between real and imaginary. Which one is real and which one is fantasy? That is our first learning objective. And the second is find the elements of fantasy. And the third or the last is share our reflection at the end. Alright, those are three elements. Those are three learning objectives that we are going to have in the end of our meeting. Alright. And the first one is I want you to guess which one is real, which one is fantasy. Okay? So I want you to answer very quickly. Okay, the first picture.
Real.
Okay, the second picture.
Fantasy.
Fantasy. Why? Okay, that is not in real life. That is unicorn. All right. How about this one?
Real.
Okay, this one?
Real.
Okay, how about this one?
Fantasy.
Okay, that is fantasy. It is impossible a cow can fly, right? Okay, how about this one?
Fantasy.
This one?
Real.
This one?
Fantasy.
This one?
Fantasy.
Okay. How many fantasy objects can you count? How many? Unicorn,
Unicorn.
cows, cat, mermaid, Aladdin. Okay, mermaid. Yeah. So, why do you think those 5 objects are not real?
Because there's not in the world. There's not access.
Oh, because they are not exist in our real life. Okay, good. So, our first learning objective is already done, right? You can tell which one is real, which one is fantasy, and also the reason behind it. And then, let's watch a movie, a very short movie. And the title is The Legend of Pippi. Okay, wait a moment.
Under by a horrifying monster. Distraught and in disarray, the king searched his temple, but he was brave and strong enough to save his missing daughter. Luckily, a hero of legend rises to the challenge.
Pay attention in the presence of your king. Is this really it? Are you the only one who showed up? Not really, Farouk. An entire kingdom's worth of cats, and this is all we can do. Do you have any idea what awaits you beyond kingdom borders? You can't be serious about it. Hey, where are you going? What the hell is this?
That is the story about Pippi. Okay, let's discuss them. The first question, what did you see? Pippi.
A dragon, a monster. Yeah, the king is a lion.
The king is the lion, the dragon.
A daughter.
It has a daughter.
And the daughter is monsters.
The daughter is the monsters. Okay. All right then. So it means that the daughter is the monsters.
From the picture we can see she's pretty, a princess.
All right. And the second question: are those things real?
No.
No. So how? What makes this story magical or unreal?
Animal doesn't.
The animal? Oh, they can talk. The animals can talk, and it is not real, right? So it means the fantasy story, something that not exists in real world, but it happens in fantasy world, right? Like animals can talk, meanwhile in reality animals couldn't talk like human. All right, so I will give you the materials. All right, and there are three elements of a fantasy story. The first one is setting. What do you think is setting in a fantasy story? Setting related to time or place. Okay, all right. The place or time. Why do I say or time? Or time in bracket. What is the reason behind that? Okay, what is Haikal?
In fantasy story, place is apa sih?
Obligation.
Necessary.
Oh, necessary.
Time in fantasy is optional.
All right. The place in fantasy is necessary, meanwhile the time is optional.
Yes.
Okay. And it's actually fact. In fantasy story, we just know the place, but for time, most of the fantasy story don't tell the time when, right? So it means we say the place or time. Just in case you watch a movie and fantasy story, it says that on like once upon a time, like that. Pada zaman dahulu kala in Indonesia. So it means it is for time in fantasy. All right. The second, characters. What is characters in fantasy story?
The characters, the role,
The ones.
or the person from the story,
The main characters? It could be the main characters. How about the supporting characters? Yes, it could be as well. Like you said, the one involved in a magical story. The ones, it means not only human, but also the creatures. For example, in The Legend of Pippi, how many characters over there? So many. Let's say it's the dragon, it's the king, it's the cat, right? The princesses, the monsters, yeah. That is characters. Because I said the ones involved in the magical adventures. And the last one is magic or power. What is magic or power in fantasy?
Special ability.
Oh, special ability. Can you mention the special ability in The Legend of Pippi?
He's strong. Because he can.
Oh, okay. The cat is strong, right? Because he can. Oh, because he can lift the dragon. All right. Okay, that is the magic of power that happens in The Legend of Pippi. So those are three elements that is in fantasy. The first one is setting. The second is characters. The last one is magic or power. Okay, thank you. You are very clever. So now let's connect our material, the three elements, into the Legend of Pippi. Okay, the first one. The setting. Where the story takes place in The Legend of Pippi. In the castle, in the kingdom, in the woods. Okay, wood, forest, or jungle, right? So you can say that. I said a kingdom, a cat kingdom actually. It says a cat kingdom in the very beginning of the story. And also castle and forest. You can say wood, you can say jungle, whatever you want to say. And then, how the characters, how many? Oh, let's say three. What are they? The Pippi cat, the king, the princesses, or the dragon. All right. I said Pippi the cat, the king, and the dragon. Yes. But if you want to say Pippi, the cat, the king, and also the princess, it's okay. But if you want to say the dragon, that is actually a princess, it is also available. Accepted, I mean. Okay, the last one, magic or power. What is the magic or power of Legend of Pippi? The cat that's really strong that can lift the dragon? Yeah. Yes, you can say that. Here, I said the talking animals. The animals can talk is actually the magic of power, right? Because the meaning of magic of power, it is about the special abilities that don't exist in real life. And the talking animals are actually the special abilities that they have in fantasy story. Okay, do you get the point? Now, let's come into the mini group challenge. I would like to divide you into 6 groups, which consists of 6 members. Okay, team up right now. All right. So this one that you have to do with your team. In your group, find a short fantasy video, and the maximum duration is 10 minutes. You can try to find it in YouTube video. And then after you watch the video, please analyze the elements of the fantasy story that you have learned before, like what is the setting, what are the characters, and also the magic or power that it has in the movie. All right. And after you analyze the video, the elements of fantasy story from that video, and I want you to present it in front of the class. I want you to present it actively and creatively. So, do you understand? Yes. Now, time for discussions.
So the setting time is childhood, teenager years, and adult.
Yes, I think that this one is really good.
Oh, really? May I see it?
This one. I think we should decide this one. This is about like a plant in the middle of the desert.
Oh yeah,
And it has 2 elements and a lot of magic power, which is really good. And
yeah, this is easy to tell to everyone. So
yes,
I think we
people
have a
would
good.
easily understand
Yeah,
what we're
it's
talking
really-
about.
What movie do you choose?
Where's the movie? That's can open in the YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the movie?
Wait, miss, wait.
The YouTube.
Wait.
That's.
No, you.
Wow. Force of nature.
Course of nature.
Yes, yes, yes.
Course of nature.
Yes.
How many minutes?
3 minutes.
Oh, 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. Okay. Will you do presentation by using Canva or something?
Yes, they can.
By using Canva. Okay, which one?
Brave.
Like kind of scary movie or not?
No, that was a different one.
Ah, but the ghost.
Yeah.
All right. If I'm not mistaken, actually it's 4 minutes or 5, right?
Yeah.
Five. 4. Where is the first team? Over there. Second team? Third team? Okay, fourth. Where is fourth? Fifth? And the last group? Okay. So today we are going to arrange the presentation order right now. Here, I have 6 folding paper that you need to choose. For example, the representation of each group will pick one paper. And when you open it and it says first, it means you will do presentation first, right? Okay. Okay, please. The representative of each team come forward and pick one of the folding paper here. Sure. Okay, so we have the order like this. The first one is for fourth group, and the second performance will be for the third group, right? The third is sixth group, and then second group, fifth group, and the first group. Okay, for the fourth group, please be ready. If you are ready, please come forward to do presentation. Okay.
No, please.
Yeah.
May I go to the toilet?
Oh yes, you may.
Attention please. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. How are you today? In this occasion, we are honored to have this opportunity to share our presentation with you. We are so excited to talk to you today about short movie, and the title is Not a Monster. Maybe before we watch the short film, let us introduce ourselves. First of all, my name is Keisha Aurelia Putri.
My name is Hainafa Ataya. My name is Adinita Lumar. My name is Siva Sabila Tanjung.
My name is Julian Sanjak.
My name is Muhammad Abdul Sigan.
Okay, continue to watch this short movie from us.
Ready?
Wait, I have attention for you guys. So we have a quizzes from us. So if you can answer the all question from us, you can get a candy from us. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, everybody, do you know why we choose that short movie? Yeah, that's true. Because that short movie is from Disney production.
It's a collaboration. first is Lina's born. The story begins when Lina is born. So from the very start, the mother is already part of the family. Okay. And second is the childhood. Lina grows up with many toys because he get the purple monster from her parents. This is Lina's grandma and her monster.
Old lady.
Okay. This is the old lady with her monster and funny guy in the traffic with his monster. The man is traffic in the short movie. He is described as a man who lives in luxury style. So his monster is small because she's very luxurious lifestyle. And the old lady in the short movie, she's described as a wise woman, and her monster is big and healthy. She would use power wisely and careful financial management. Okay, we have a quiz. So open your WhatsApp.
Wayground. Great Wayground.
Berapa kodenya?
There are 5 group, 6 group, and 3rd group. The second and the first. Ini udah kan semuanya? Mulai ya.
Alright.
1, 2.
Wait. Kita ngerjain juga.
Biar aja. Kan nanti kita nggak jawab juga.
Buka. Kita tetap ngerjain ya. Oh iya. Next hit.
Neng.
Okay. So the winner is
Yeah.
So this is
The gift from us. Milk kita candy. Congrats. Attention please. The time for closing from us.
Okay. We will say thank you for paying attention. Group 4, text their leave. Thank you.
ada pantun.
Ayo ting isi ting.
Thank you guys. Sheshe. 감사합니다. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you for the 4th group for a very creative presentation, and I hope the next meeting will be a better presentation than the 4th group. All right. So before we close our meeting today, I would like you to tell me your feeling about our today's lessons. All you need to do is you need to scan the barcode over here. And after that, I want you to answer those 3 questions. The first question is, what did you learn today? And the second question is, which element do you like most? Between setting, characters, and also the magic of power. And tell me why. And then, one word to describe today's lesson. It will come to this Padlet. And over here is the answer of mine. Like I said, I learned that in fantasy stories, animal or objects can talk like humans. And the second answer is, I like the magic element because it makes the story more exciting. And the third is fun. And all you need to do is put the plus over here. And then over here, you need to write your name and also your class. And over here is you need to write the answer of those 3 questions. Do you get the point? Okay. Yep. You can add your pictures if you want to make it more exciting. Yes,
full name or?
It can be your full name. Yes, you can. Yes, name and class and also your answer. No. No need to comment it. Yes, this one, the plus. Yep. Name and class and also your response. Yeah. You can add your picture to make it more exciting.
Can I add my own picture?
Yep. Yeah. The plus. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, are you ready? What is W? All right. You can add your picture over there to make it more exciting. Yeah. You can take your like a selfie with Fadil Fikri.
Which element do you like the most? Maksudnya kayak setting or?
Yeah, you can choose one of those three elements like setting or magic or power or character.
Itu yang like semuanya gitu.
Just one, just pick one, and then tell me why the reason you like those, you like that element. For example, I like the magic because by magic in the story make the story more blah blah blah. Okay. So we have Zara. Zara Sweet. Who is Zara Sweet? Pretty and cute. And also Ainunisa, Sekar Shiva, Arisa Indriana. Oh, Ashifa. And also Desi Febrianti. We have the cool cat over here. Muhammad Fadil, Rifgan, Merlin, Safitri, Agustina. Okay. The character monster because the monster so cute. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. So we conclude that you are happy about today's lesson, right? Happy, fun, amazing, memorable, so cool. Wow, so many positive comments for today, and I'm so glad for it. Okay, I think that's all for today. Do you have questions so far? So do you got all the materials today? Okay, I think that's all. And thank you very much for your kind attention and participation. Don't forget to study at home because next meeting we will continue the next presenters that is from the third group, the sixth, the second, the fifth, and the first. All right. I think that's all. And I want one of you to be the volunteer for closing our meeting today by praying. Who will be the leader? Okay, Gajali, please be the leader for closing our meeting today by praying together.
Okay. Sebelum kita mengakhiri pelajaran kali ini, kita mulai.
Okay, see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for today's. Okay, thank you for today's lesson, ya.
Thank you for today.
Alright, see you later. See you.
Thank you, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Nah.
Thank you, Miss.